Video 10. Promoting your campaign using Facebook ads. Teespring works great with Facebook to help you find a suitable audience that you can target. There are so many users on Facebook, and you can never miss finding a specific group of people interested in purchasing your product offers. Apart from finding an audience for your products, you will be able to learn how to serve your customers. Most Facebook users always voice out whatever they like or don't like and often share such information with their friends. Also, a simple but attractive t-shirt design is likely to go viral on Facebook, especially when one buyer tags their friends and partners and prompts them to buy. Nonetheless, Facebook is always visual and is a good platform to showcase all your tee designs and attract an accelerated rate of sales and profits. There are various mechanisms you could use to promote your Teespring campaign on Facebook. Some of the popular ways include creation of a fan page, analysis of audience data insights, placement of ads. Important. Before getting started with Facebook ads, it is important to read the guiding principles. Facebook is very strict with ads, and many marketers, like you, have lost their accounts after infringing the guidelines. Placement of Facebook ads. Facebook allows you to use different types of ads for your campaign. Each ad always has a specific objective, which could be to encourage clicks to a website, encourage website conversions, enhance like campaigns, and boost page post engagement, among other objectives. The best way to use Facebook ads is to boost your post and enhance page post engagements. The idea behind boosting your posts is to fuel the engagement to a particular post on your fan page. Engagement involves shares, comments, and likes. Consider boosting the link that directs your audience to the sales page of your t-shirts. But before boosting the link, you will have to choose the fan page with the post you wish to boost. After selecting the fan page and your desired post, you will be all set to draft your ad. Target audience. The initial step in developing your Facebook ad will involve choosing your target audience. Facebook allows you to target your campaign to an audience from various locations, gender, age, interests, languages, and behaviors. Such information can be accessed through the Audience Insights page that shows you an approximate reach for your ad. Ensure your audience selection is fairly narrow if you wish to get the best results from your Teespring campaign. Also, it is important to decide whether your products will be useful to men, women, or both. Targeting a certain product to a single gender is the best way to ensure you gain more benefits from your Teespring campaign. Narrow down your target audience by adding specific interests, behaviors, and connections that appeal to them. Try to be as specific as possible and break your campaign into different ad set groups. This way, you will find it easier setting up your split testing campaigns. Budgeting your Teespring campaign on Facebook ads. In setting the budget for your campaign, Facebook allows you to set a daily budget for the campaign, schedule when the ads should run, and decide what to optimize at better pricing. In choosing your budget, you will either go for a daily expenditure or a lifetime one. If you decide to run your campaign with a daily budget, then it will appear each day until you decide to stop it. Nonetheless, if you decide to run a lifetime campaign, then the ad will stop once your budgetary allocation is completed. If you are promoting your Teespring campaign for the first time on Facebook, consider starting with a daily budget allocation of $10 per ad set. Thus, if you are running 2 ad sets each day, your budget will be $20. Nonetheless, you can raise or lower the budget depending on what serves you best. You could try your preferred daily budgetary allocation and consider it a test for future ad sets. If you're not sure of what you should optimize for in your Teespring campaign, allow Facebook to decide depending on the performance of your ad set. But you can also set the optimization for post engagement and get the most out of your budget. How creative is your ad? Even though you are promoting your Teespring campaign on Facebook, do not expect that the post engagements will work out magically. If you thought so, then you are mistaken. Your ad has to be creative to capture the attention of the audience. Consider adding appropriate pictures of your products. However, ensure that any graphics you add conforms to Facebook's terms and conditions. Creativity may also encompass deciding where to place your ad sets while running. Your audience responds differently to ads placed to the desktop newsfeed as compared to the mobile newsfeed and right column. Try working with one of these options and gauge how your audience responds to determine the suitable position. The title and description used on your Facebook ad is often generated automatically. This happens since you are boosting one of your posts rather than creating a new ad. Once everything is in place, consider adding a conversion pixel to your ad to harness high-quality data from your responses. The data could be very useful in helping you determine the responses from your audience. This way, you'll be able to run better campaigns in the future. Placing your order. Place your order and wait for a confirmation message and email before your campaign goes live. The minimum review period for new orders is always close to 24 hours, while recurring orders could be processed within less than 3 hours. If your ad set is approved, you will have an opportunity to watch the responses from your audience and anticipate a successful Teespring experience.